What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Connor Beats right here. Today we're going to take a look at the Arturia Micro Freak super fire synthesizer, in my opinion. Shout out Arturia for sending me this. I love it, bro. Like, I'm in the studio right now. We're finna cook up a crazy banger all from scratch using the Micro Freak. We're going to flip the melody. We're going to do all sorts of things, so make sure you stick around till the end. You feel me? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Other than that, let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. Smooth this a little bit out. Reverb. I like that last part. That was hard. Alright, let's try to flip this. Bro, that's crazy. This shit is viral, I'm telling you. Oh my days. know I love to pitch everything. Right here, let's add a slide on the open hat. Alright, let's play it from the beginning. Turn me up, okay, turn me up. Turn me up. Bro, that's hard. Shout out to Arteria for sending this beautiful synthesizer. It's super fire. Been messing around with it all week and I love it, bro. Make sure to go check that out. Link is in the description. Other than that, much love. I appreciate you guys. Super fire cook up. I love the vibes. Thank you guys for all the support as well. Really means a lot to me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats and on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.